Good evening. Another option that I was thinking of, which is sort of inspired by rivers. And I did some research, found that sargassum is a floating, there are species of sargassum, a floating aquatic plant that can be found in oceans as well. Heck, there is probably an entire sea of sargassum somewhere out there. So the idea behind is that they sort of block sunlight penetrating in the ocean. That in turn helps lower the temperature. So how about during the hotter summer months, sargassum can be harvested by ships or something along those lines, and it should be very easy to harvest and keep moist, I'm sure. These plants can be transported and things like that. Anyhow, you come up with a mechanism of that, which should not be difficult. You harvest large quantities of it, and you deploy those over the Great Barrier Reef, so that the 1 or 2 degrees of temperature that needs to be lowered in order to prevent coral bleaching can be sort of helped by this overall aquatic plant blocking the sunlight and therefore lowering the temperature. Maybe you could hopefully prevent coral bleaching, and aside from that, I'm pretty sure that the fish would probably eat it up as well. And about the hypoxic conditions in a scenario in which you have blooms of this plant, I doubt that will happen, or we have technology which will successfully prevent that, and also it can be harvested and cultivated and things like that. So it's not going to get out of hand, but it will certainly help with controlling the temperature of the Great Barrier Reef.